How to activate Best Buy credit card online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Earlier, type in Activate Best Buy credit card and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one website option, Citi.com, My Best Buy credit card registration. Open it. With that, you will be directed to this page. Now from here, you can easily activate your Best Buy credit card. All you have to do is provide the details. First up, type in your card number. Then type in the name as it appears on your card. Then type in the security code. Type in last four digits of the primary card holder's SSN. And after you provide all these details, click on verify. And with that, you have just activated your Best Buy credit card online. So this was really simple and quick process. This way you can easily activate your Best Buy credit card online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.